In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a birthday field to HubSpot. By the end, you'll have a clean, reusable date field you can use for personalization, segmentation, and even birthday automations. First, open your browser and head to Google. Type HubSpot, then click the official HubSpot website. Log into your account as you normally would. If your account uses two-factor authentication, complete that as well to reach your HubSpot home screen. Once you're in, look toward the top of the screen for the gear icon. That's your settings. Click it to open the settings area. On the left sidebar, find the Data Management section, then click Properties. This is where all your CRM fields live, and where you'll create new ones. On the Properties page, click Create Property. If you see an option to choose an object, keep it set to Contacts so the field appears on contact records. Now give your new field a clear property label. Type Birthday. HubSpot will generate an internal name automatically. You can leave that as is. If you want, you can also add a short description so teammates know this field stores a contact's date of birth for personalization or reminders. Next, choose the field type. Select Date Picker. This ensures users select a calendar date rather than typing free text, which keeps your data consistent and makes it easy to use in filters, lists, and workflows. Before finishing, click Edit More Options. Then open the Rules section. Under What Dates Are Allowed for this property, choose Any Date. This is important because birthdays are typically in the past, and you don't want to accidentally block historical dates with a future-only rule. Allowing any date keeps the field flexible for all contacts. With that said, head to the top right and click Create. HubSpot will save the property and add it to your contacts' available fields. That's it. Your birthday field is now live. You can add it to contact records, include it on forms to collect birthdays directly from visitors, and reference it in lists, reports, and workflows. For example, you might build a list of contacts with upcoming birthdays or trigger an automated email the week before a birthday. As a best practice, be mindful of privacy in your region and collect only what you truly need. If you don't require the birth year, you can simply record month and day. Thanks for following along. You've just created a polished, reliable birthday field in HubSpot that's ready to power more personal, timely engagement.